the current state of the crypto market, I would say we will come down from the all-time highs quite a bit, maybe 60 to 90%, right, depending on the token pair. But this is not the first time the industry has faced this sort of market cycle. And to be honest, I think all of us are expecting sort of this cyclicality, and I think it just coincides with the macro cycle as well this time. So it feels much stronger in the sense that there is sort of liquidity crisis and asset price correction, not just in crypto, but around the world. So we're facing challenges in a very different lens. And the reason why crypto has been highly correlated, at least in the short term, with a lot of the risk assets elsewhere, also shows how much this industry has matured. The main difference between TradFi and I think everybody here in crypto space is the pure speed at which it operates and at which it evolves. We can see maybe the traditional dollar funding cycle being 10 to 12 years. Maybe we're in a new cycle now, but in crypto, it's every 3 to 4 years. So you'll see people building teams, building products at incredibly speed, and for better or worse, being stress tested more often. So I personally got into crypto almost more than 4 years ago. So first, really just an interest of mine, wanted to be at an intersection of finance and technology. So myself, I came from a traditional finance background, and I was working in New York on Wall Street back then, trading, doing mostly fixed income related products. I think we're already seeing quite a bit of convergence between what we call TradFi and I guess crypto or DeFi. There's still a lot of hurdles for a lot of the traditional financial institutions, for a lot of the regulatory constraints that cannot maybe directly tap into DeFi themselves, which is why maybe they will work with prime brokers that will offer them this kind of access. And I think Amber is also one of them, being in the middle, where the institutions can onboard with a regulated counterparty like us, where we also have the flexibility to tap into the DeFi opportunity. All of us have a long-term view here, and our view is that crypto is here to stay, and there are so many new use cases that will come forward, maybe things that we haven't thought about. I know people talk about GameFi and SocialFi a lot, and I think that is a very real and interesting way to onboard the next wave of retail users.